This is a quick demo of our COVID dashboard. Um, so when you log in as a user, as we are, you're able to see the public data, which includes curated data which has been approved by the admin, and shared data that's just shared by other users. You also have a section for your own private data, where you can see your different data sets that you've uploaded, and some of the plots that you may have uploaded. Users that are logged in can upload their own data sets. So we'll upload some TSA traveler data. Date fields are the date interpreted fields inside of your CSV. We'll pick a data set frequency. For our TSA data, it's daily. It's 1 row per day. Then we'll go in here and we'll choose our data. We'll go ahead and upload our data. So our file has been processed and uploaded. So if we go back to our private data page, we can now go see our TSA data. So we can see the value here, and then we also have date. Users that are logged in are also able to create plots. So you can go to create plot page. Here the user has the option to create plots for trends over time, proportions over categories, relationships between factors and situations, and distributions over Florida counties. For a quick example, we'll create a trend over time graph, which is a line chart. So the one that we'll do is hospitalizations versus deaths. So we can see if there's a trend between those two. We'll go into our select datasets and variables. So the user can filter what datasets appear in these drop downs. So everything that the user has uploaded will appear here, and then these filters apply to anything that they have not uploaded. So this user that we're logged into has uploaded all of these datasets. So we're going to choose to look at some Florida daily totals and stats. Here we can look at all the variables that are included in here. So the one that we're going to look at is death. And then the second one from the same data set, we will take a look at hospitalized. So we'll load in the plot settings. So we'll take a look and we can filter by start date and end date, but these look good. Our frequency, we're going to set it to be daily. And then finally we can look at our death and hospitalized. These are the vertical axis. So this is your line names. So what we're going to call these on the actual graph. So for this first one is going to be daily deaths, or it'll be total death. Alright, and then we can go ahead and create the plot. From here the user can now go and view their plot. So we can see that as hospitalizations go up, there's pretty close correlation with deaths. It looks like the peak is a little bit delayed between hospitalizations and deaths, which makes a little bit of sense. But yeah, so that's a quick demo of what we have so far for our COVID dashboard. Thank you for viewing.